Greetings everyone. Today we are entering a world where even a layman can become a developer. Well, sort of. I'm talking about the revolutionizing low code no code, that is LCNC development platforms. Let's dive in and see how we can build awesome interfaces without writing mountains of code. So, what is low code no code development? Imagine building a website, an app, or even complex workflows using just drag and drop tools and visual interfaces. Quite the dreamy stuff, isn't it so? Well, that's exactly what LCNC platforms deliver. Regardless of any coding experience, a quick and dynamic person with bare minimum operating skills can also create powerful digital solutions using this. Now, there are actually two divisions here. First is the low code. It provides a visual environment with pre-built components and functionalities. You can customize them with some coding knowledge. And the second option is no code. This completely eliminates coding, using just drag and drop options and predefined functionalities to bring your ideas to life. Now let's see what makes LCNC so trending nowadays. Well, it's pretty clear. With such ease of use, it cannot go unnoticed, right? So the first major benefit is the fact that anyone with an idea can develop websites. The second point is faster development cycles. You can build applications in a fraction of the time compared to the traditional coding methods. And then comes the favorite part, reduced cost. No need for large developer teams, saving time and resources. And finally, businesses can focus on what matters, their core functionalities, without getting bogged down in complex coding. No matter how good the tool or service is, there will always be a need for programmers for bigger and more customized jobs. Still, the LCNC platforms will be used by some entrepreneurs to build prototypes and test their ideas quickly. Business users can also benefit by using it to automate workflows, create internal tools, and streamline the operations. However, in this case, the chances of custom requirement is very high, which eventually brings in the traditional coding methods. Then there can be non-technical professionals who can make the most out of such tools without having to dive deep into the complexity of programming. So let's take a peek at some of the leading LCNC platforms. One of the oldest LCNC platform is WordPress. It was launched in 2003 and it has been the go-to choice for a long time. Then there are more modern solutions like Webflow, with which you can design stunning websites and create custom web applications as well. Then we have Bubble, Zapier, and many more. Now let's discuss the future of LCNC development. Well, LCNC is here to stay and its capabilities are constantly evolving. There will be more improvements in the user experience with even more intuitive interfaces. With the current boom in AI, expect to see advanced functionalities like AI integration and potentially provide industry-specific solutions by giving templates and functionalities tailored to the specific industries with the help of AI. So, low-code, no-code development has evolved enough to be a convenient option for making small-sized websites. But with industry experience of more than 3 decades, we can say that this does not really affect the programmer's demand because businesses will always need customized solutions. However, the LCNC development is a fantastic approach as it makes the development time and cost efficient. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities and unleash your inner developer. Have you tried any LCNC platforms? Share your experience with us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to us for more informative videos. Until next time then, happy coding!